Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about arrays. We're going to make a simple array that is going to basically hold fruit, names of fruit, a list, and we're going to print out the list using arrays. So I'm just going to guide you through that, take a few minutes, so let's get started. So as you can see here, I'm on IntelliJ. I've made a new project called Arrays Tutorial, and like I did in the very first video I did about strings, I went to File, New, and I did create a new project using the template that provides this public class main and all of this. So let's get started. So to start off, we're going to make a string array. That's what we're doing today. So to make a string array, you just say string. Then you have the symbol, sort of squared brackets, and then say fruit. We're going to make a fruit fruit array. So then you say new string, and then you've got to specify the size of the fruit array. So we're going to have 4 fruits, then here, okay? And then to start adding the items to the string array, we need to then specify what position we want to assign, so which fruit goes into which position. And arrays always start from, the index of arrays always start from 0. So we go to fruit 0 equals, and then you just say the value that you want, orange, fruit 1 equals banana, fruit 2 equals pear, fruit 3 equals pineapple. Now, we don't go up to 4 because you've got to remember that we've created an array of 4 and we've got to include 0 in that because 0 is the first index. So that's a total of 4 items in the array. And now to print it out, we could just do system.out.println, and then you go fruit and specify which one you want to print out. So if we did 0, it would print orange, hopefully. So let's do that, run main. Take a few seconds to build. So it should print orange. And it has. It's printed orange here. Now, you could, if you wanted to just print out the list, you could just specify each one. So you could then do system.out.println fruit and then 1, then 2, then 3. But an easy way of avoiding having to specify each one is to do a for loop. So you could then do for, and then here go the second one, I. So it will start from the very first index, so int I equals 0. Then you've got to specify. So it's an array, so we need to do, so basically what this means is a for loop. So you start from int I equals 0, so the first position, so it starts from index 0, and then the loop will continue to run until it reaches whatever is here. Now obviously we haven't specified anything here yet, so we need to specify the length of the array because we don't want it to continue after the length of the array, because otherwise that will just produce an error. So just do fruit dot length, if I'm correct in saying. And basically what I++ means is it means that it is adding it's increasing. So when the for loop runs, it adds an additional 1 to the index until it suits all the other conditions. So we do system, because we want to, in the for loop, print out what the array list is, so fruit, and then the index, which is I, and semicolon at the end. Now if we run, hopefully it will print out a list So it should be orange, banana, pear, pineapple. So hopefully that will work. And yeah, it has. You can see here it's printed out the 4 items of the array. It's used the for loop here. So it started off from I equals 0. So that's, as you know, arrays start from 0 in terms of indexes. And fruit.length, the length of the fruit is 4. But what it really means, so it will be less than 4. So it goes up to 3. I so up to 3. And that basically adds 1 to each time it passes through. You can see there it passed through each time. First it was orange, it was 0, then 1 banana, 2 pear, 3 pineapple. And you can see here orange, banana, pear, pineapple have been printed. So that's it from me today. I will be doing more things next few days. So I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, just place them in the comments or go to the website www.game-site.co.uk, and then you can open up a ticket if you've had any issues. So I hope that's okay, and see you next time.